Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Jose here with us this morning. And Jose is a fellow crack addict. He watches this every day on YouTube and has had back pain and decided to come in here and do something about it. So this is his very first treatment here. In fact, this is his first chiropractic adjustment anytime, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to check your posture. I've already done his orthopedic neurological evaluation. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. He does have sacroiliac and lumbosacral radiculopathy down his left leg and left buttocks cheek. His head's a little bit forward and to the left. Pelvis shifted a little bit left as well on the x-axis. And he's a side sleeper, I can tell, because I can tell how he's rotated. You sleep this way most of the time, don't you?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so we're going to do his first adjustment today. Let's go ahead and start off on this one first. Okay, his left leg's a ½ an inch shorter than his right leg down there and gets even up here. I bet you that tightens up in your little back right there.
Yes.
Yep. So that's showing me that he's got a left SI joint pain problem right here. Is that a little tender touch?
Yeah.
Yep. So I'm going to start off adjusting his left SI joint. And then his sacrum on the left side. The sacrum in the center. The sacrum on the right. And then the right SI joint. Okay, now I'm going to get L5, straight P to A, that was probably a little sore. There's L4, that was sore too. These are probably all going to be a little sore at first. Yep. It's a little more significant person, isn't it? Yeah, better be quiet. Crack addicts, get on me.
Oh.
There you go. Keep breathing. There you go, perfect. Felt that one too, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So your legs are exactly even now. This should already feel a little easier coming up than the first time.
Good.
Okay, you're going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this next one. Now, he really didn't complain of any neck pain or upper back pain or mid-back pain, but he did have subluxations in there, which are misalignments of the vertebra and the spine. Just turn you on your back now. So I'm adjusting his spine from head to toe, literally. Good. Now slide down this way about an inch and put your arms straight out to the sides. You're going to feel your shoulders popping up a little bit on this next one. Relax. And let me have your leg here. There we go. Now you should have felt that all the way up into your low back and pelvis. Okay, keep breathing. There you go. Yep. You feel that one up there too?
Oh yeah.
Sit up, face that way now. There we go. Okay. Just relax your arm in my hand here. You got lots of crepitus or noise in that shoulder when I'm moving around. You feel that? Okay. There we go. Good. Daddy's getting lined up. We're going to line Daddy up. When he was young, his mom used to line him out, now I am. There we go. Excellent. Okay, let's come over here on this table now. You guys will get to watch Daddy on YouTube this afternoon. Slide down this way just a little bit. There you go. Okay, a little bit more. Straight down. There you go. Good. Okay. This is going to feel tight and it's supposed to. still waiting on our pins to get fixed. There. You feel like you're in there tight?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
not going anywhere. So I'm bringing your legs up like this. This is how you should actually start sleeping at night, with your legs elevated. It should feel pretty relaxed to your low back. Okay, just keep your teeth together. Take a breath through your nose.
Oh,
yeah. Yes, sir. That's why we call it ring dinger. You feel that all the way down?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Just relax your head right in my hands here. Oh, yeah. See, you didn't think there was anything wrong with your neck. You're going to feel like 10 pounds lighter when you stand up. You felt that go all the way through, didn't you?
Everything.
Yeah. Super. Okay, let's get us set up sideways. Yep. And stand right here in front of the mirror for me again. Alright. I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards. And then neutral. Pull these up and back. Good. All the way here. And you'll feel a little tap on your atlas right there. There. Okay, now relax. And do that same thing again. Tell me if this feels any different to you this time.
Yeah.
Smoother?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Very good. You see how your shoulders squared off more?
Yeah.
You got more room here now, so even more side to side. Shoulders are level. Head's not so far forward. Are you having any lower back pain right now?
No, sir.
None at all?
No.
Good. Any leg pain?
No, sir.
Great. So low back pain, leg pain went away in first adjustment.
Yes, sir.
Very good. All right, Jose, is there anything you'd like to tell our YouTube subscribers about your first experience here?
It was a good experience. I would definitely recommend Dr. Gregory Johnson, and I would definitely come back for a second visit.
Okay. Which is, we haven't even got to that part yet, but all right. So this year, Houston chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.